Good morning. As you saw, 6 a.m. and I'm headed to Bracebridge this morning. Things got approved. What is in my eye? Things got approved at the job site, so I'm heading there this morning. However, it's Friday, so we're headed up to my uncle's as well, and it's gonna be a long, busy day. Hello from the job site. I am here. By the looks of it, nobody's here. Justin said that the boys were coming this morning, which I don't understand why they would if the job is done. But it looks really good. So I'm excited to show you guys maybe. And I have some drone shots to do while nobody's here and some footage to get. So let's do this. All right, so this is where Justin and I were standing the other day, and this is what it looks like now. Looks quite impressive. You can see all of the yellow packages are gone because all of this had to be laid here, and this is the area where the plumbing had to be inspected. So you'll see the one pipe there and then down towards that way. So anyways, now it's all been approved. They finished. It looks incredible. And yeah, I feel proud of this. This is cool. I like seeing a job start to finish, and maybe I'll be back to do like some shots of like when they actually set everything up, but that'll be probably a few months. So anyways, I think we should get the drone in the air. Yeah, pretty cool. Thank you very much. Well guys, this is going to be it for this job site, and I had fun doing it. It was a really good time. I'm on my way home. I should be home in probably, I guess 40 minutes or so. I've already been on the road for a bit, and when I get home, I have so much to do. I have to pack for my uncle's this weekend. I have to pack for the trailer. I have to pack for myself. I have to pack food and figure out what we're eating. And then, yeah, I know I have so much to do when I get home. All right, I've just stopped quickly at a Subway because I am starving. Got a sub. I was starving. Did not eat today. Didn't even have a coffee or nothing. So, pretty hungry. And I got something I've never had before. Well, I've had this sandwich, but so it's a chicken bacon ranch, Italian herb and cheese with white cheddar, and I got lettuce, spinach, tomato, green pepper, some olives, garlic aioli, and chipotle. So first, like that. Looks pretty good. I'm not sure that the olives go with it, but okay. Got shit to do. I gotta drive and eat. Maybe I should get a napkin first, 'cause this could be messy. Okay. Stopped for gas. It was about a quarter of a tank or so. 114.53 because we're gonna be doing a lot of driving. So, oh, forgot, cut my hair. I'm so tired of the color, half and half, ridiculous. Anyways, almost home, and then the fun begins. Just got my video up for today. It's late because Justin had to approve it before it went up. And then I have been packing. It's okay. I have food and my cameras. And then Kyle packed his bag last night, and I have my bag and a pillow and our toaster we need. I just packed a bunch of food in coolers right here. And then we are actually taking Dad's tractor up to my uncle's, as well as his truck and plow. So I'm not going to disclose why just yet. I'll let you know in future video. But basically we have been cleaning up, and we even moved the work trailer out of the driveway, and we're trying to clean up the garage and downstairs and just like a bunch of different stuff. So we're trying to eliminate as much stuff from here as possible. And anyways, so that's what we're up to, just trying to pack up and everything. My hair looks, I don't know what I did to my hair, but it's like, I don't know, we'll see. So now just waiting for Kyle to get home, and then Damien will come home just shortly after that, and then we can leave. All the trucks are packed up, and now we're headed up to get Damien. Normally we walk the block, but we were packing the trucks so we don't have time, and taking the puppies for a walk before they're in the truck for a long time. So we're all packed and ready to go. Just gotta figure out if Damien wants a snack before we leave, and then we'll make our way there. We got the little munker. He's all grumpy. Mr. Grumpy Pants. When we get to our road, we always let the puppies off. Hmm?
What is it?
It's good training for Ram. Diesel can always be off leash, but... We are on the road. We got a forward puppy and a backward puppy back there. And we got the little munker. Anyways, we are on our way. Mom's in front of us. Dad's behind us, which you can't see. And then I got the tractor in the back. Dad's got some of our stuff in his bed of his truck. Yep. We're on our way. Hi, me puppy.
Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy.
We're here, puppies! Oh, do you want to open that side so that they go out that way? Puppy, puppy, puppies! Just unloaded the trucks. Gonna get everything put away, which seems really crazy for 2 nights, but it's what we gotta do. So I'm just opening everything up, shutting everything up. I open all the cupboards and stuff, but I gotta make Damien's bed because I stripped it, and I have fresh towels and stuff that's gotta be put away. So anyways, that's what I'm gonna do, and I'm heating up now. I got cold outside, but gonna strip down a bit and then get to work. So the trailer is unpacked. I put the slip cover on. I made Damien's bed, other than his blankets, and I just left clothing in bags for now. I think we'll just live out of bags. Put all the food and stuff away and put out chairs, and then just gonna sit and have a drink, and then I'll figure out dinner. Took his shirt off, running around.
That when I started, I was gonna like
The breeze out.
We just had dinner. I made like chicken nuggets with a Thai chili sauce, rice, and some lettuce on top. I kind of like half-assed the dish that Kyle got when we went away for his conference in the spring. Everything was frozen still, so I just decided chicken nuggets was probably best because it was already late, and it is 7:13 now on Friday the 13th. I am exhausted, I'm chilled, and I'm just finishing up my drink from earlier. And I have a little bit of dishes to do over there, and then I think that's gonna be it for me today because I'm tired, and tomorrow I think is probably just gonna be like a play day. We'll see what we get up to. And then Sunday we pack up to close up the trailer for the winter. So I'll show you kind of the process of that. But anyways, yeah, I'm gonna end this video here. I actually want to thank Justin for allowing me to go to the job site and film, and just like him like putting his faith into my ability with like videos. I think he like trusted me, but he didn't quite trust me. He's quite the, I don't want to say perfectionist, but he's very particular, and I am that way as well. So I know it was, I don't want to say it was hard for him to let go of the control of it. So anyways, he's very particular, and he really liked the first video I did. So then he mentioned if I had a drone I could do this job site, and I told him that I did have a drone, so I was able to hop on board quickly and get the job done. So I kind of really wish I was there start to finish for all of it, but it just didn't work out that way. So I gotta kind of figure out how I'm gonna edit it, but anyways, it was just really a different experience, and I enjoyed doing it, and I always get along with the guys anytime any of them come to the house or whatever, but it's just kind of different being on a job site that you're not really working on physically. Like, I was there to do my work and they were doing the actual like labor of it all. So anyways, it was just different, and maybe in the future I can do some more for them, but I enjoyed it. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye guys.